Ben Johns isn't just playing pickleball, he's rewriting the rulebook on what it means to dominate a sport. At 26, he's the undisputed king of the paddle, holding the #1 rank in mixed doubles and top-tier rankings in singles and men's doubles by the Pro Pickleball Association, PPA. With over 150 PPA titles, 21 Triple Crowns, and a jaw-dropping 108-match singles winning streak, Johns has built a fortress of excellence that no one seems able to breach. So what's the secret behind his unshakable reign? It's not just athleticism, it's a blend of cerebral strategy, relentless adaptability, and a game that's equal parts art and science. From novice to legend, Johns' meteoric rise. Johns' journey began in 2016 at age 17, when he stumbled upon pickleball during a family vacation in Florida. A former tennis and table tennis player, he brought a unique skill set to the court. His tennis background gave him precision and power, while table tennis honed his lightning-fast reflexes and spin control. Within months, he was already placing 5th in men's pro singles at the US Open Pickleball Championships. By 2019, he made history as the first male to win a Triple Crown, gold in singles, doubles, and mixed doubles at the Tournament of Champions in Utah, a feat he repeated at the US Open in 2021 and 2022. His stats are staggering. As of July 2025, Johns has competed in 99 professional tournaments, played 710 matches, and maintained a perfect 10-0 record in his last 10 outings. The brain behind the brawn. What sets Johns apart isn't just raw talent, it's his brain. He's a self-proclaimed jock and nerd with a degree in materials science and engineering from the University of Maryland. This analytical mindset spills onto the court. Johns approaches pickleball like a chess grandmaster, always 3 moves ahead. He's known for his patience, a trait that frustrates opponents into making mistakes. Unlike younger players like JW Patrickin, who may lack the same composure, Johns rarely rushes. His ability to read opponents and adapt mid-match is unmatched. He once told the Washington Post that he plays a game theory optimal style, akin to poker, ensuring that his skill set gives him the edge even when both sides play perfectly. Technical mastery and innovation. His technical prowess is another cornerstone. Johns is a paddle nerd, obsessed with the physics of the game. He collaborated with Jula Pickleball to design the Ben Johns Perseus paddle, optimizing its coefficient of friction for spin and control. This attention to detail extends to his shot making. His backhand flick volley is a weapon, and his ability to mix power with finesse, driving hard shots or dropping soft dinks into the kitchen, keeps opponents guessing. He's also a master of the 2E, a two-handed backhand dink that applies aggressive pressure, turning defense into offense. Pros like Federico Stocksrud and Christian Alshon are closing the gap, but Johns' versatility makes him a moving target, building an empire and facing the future. Off the court, Johns is a pickleball empire builder. He co-owns Pickleball Getaways, Pickleball 360, and Johns Design and Consulting, leveraging his fame to grow the sport. His sponsorships with Jula, Jigsaw Health, and others, combined with a reported $2.5 million in 2024 salary and endorsements, make him a multi-millionaire at 25. Yet he remains grounded, driven by a love for strategy games like Magic, The Gathering, and hobbies like investing and cryptocurrency. This intellectual curiosity fuels his on-court innovation as he Frankensteins his game by borrowing from other sports and players. The competition isn't standing still. Players like Staksrud, who's been consistent in singles, and Aljan, who's improving rapidly, are knocking on the door, but Johns' lead, while narrowing, remains formidable. His mental edge, physical adaptability, and relentless work ethic, honed through years of weightlifting, traveling, and studying the game, make him a tough puzzle to solve. Even when he loses, as his brother Colin notes, Johns channels the frustration into improvement, not defeat. Can anyone dethrone him? Maybe, but not yet. At 26, Johns is still young, with room to evolve as pickleball grows. He's hinted at retiring from competition by 30, but for now, he's the gold standard, blending athleticism, intellect, and innovation. His legacy is already cemented, but the story's far from over. For more pickleball insights and updates on Ben Johns' unstoppable journey, subscribe to the channel for more content.